I've been wearing this belt buckle for well over 10 years, and as you can see, it's taken quite a bit of wear and tear. So I'm going to throw it back onto the grinding wheels and put a polish back on this. I'm going all the way back to 280 grit and then working my way up through 600, 1200, and 3000. And then polishing it on my leather buffing wheel with using optical cerium oxide. And I'm also going to work on the brass setting for it and get it sanded down and polished as well, so that it'll now be something I feel comfortable wearing. So here's this belt buckle I've been working on or refinishing, and it's got a nice shine to it now compared to what it was. Even polished up the brass as well. So Apple Green Aventurine. It was so bad you couldn't even tell what it was.